do you think are the most hits in the early 2000s?
No, me, man. Watch out. Cartel doing an interview in London, and Cartel say, when me and Elephant Man drop on the scene and we are put out song. Remember 5 times I get DJ of the year straight, you know? Me never get it 1, 2, 3 years and stop and catch it back 3 years. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Remember, me then I dance and see people I take them head and I put in a rubbish pan and run off, go run and part and they want to dance something. Remember Passa Passa and me make it build.
Yeah.
Remember Weddy Weddy and me make it build. All early dancing, something, music change, music nice. Me remember when we go down at Tivoli and Dodo say Elephant more clothes. And when we go up on stage in the morning and I see every rifle put on all bad man and go down the flank. And bad man and I see President give them a run. And I see Liberty a signal the plane and I say look for music.